In this lecture, I will discuss on generating functions, which is used in counting and as well as to find the explicit formula for a recurrence relations. Now let us start. A sequence of number is become a functions or a polynomial. Through this mapping, we can apply our techniques for manipulating functions. Generating functions for the basic sequences, operations on generating functions, counting, solve recurrences. These are the main objective of the generating functions. Given a sequence G0, G1, G2, G3, etc., the ordinary generating function is G0, G1x, G2x square, G3x cube plus dot dot. This will generate this sequence. If there is a sequence, this is a sequence representations, and this is generating functions representation. This is general way of representing a generating functions to represent the sequence. We use a double-sided arrow to indicate the correspondence. That means here this is sequence, here this is generating functions. The sequence is converted into generating functions, and generating functions is converted into sequence. So here we have insert here double-sided arrow. Some simple example. If there is a sequence of zeros, then we can write it in this way: 0 plus 0x, 0x square. This is the generating functions of zeros. Now 1 0 0 0 0, this is the generating functions: 1 plus 0x plus 0x square. In this way 3 2 1 0 will be 3 plus 2x plus 1x square plus 0x square, and so on, and ultimately 3 plus 2x plus x square. The pattern here is simple. The ith term in the sequence, indexing from 0, is the coefficient of xi in the generating function. Here ith term is 3, that means ith value is value of I is 0. So this is the first term or 0th term, that the coefficient is the sequence element of the sequence. In this way 2 is the second term of the sequence, or second term of the generating functions. In this way we can convert the generating functions to the sequence, or sequence to the generating functions. Now 1 1 1 1, that means what will be the generating functions of this? It will be 1 plus x square, x plus x square plus x cube, since coefficients of all the terms is 1. So this will be 1 plus x square plus x cube, in this way. Here is a geometric series whose coefficient is 1. What is the closed form of the expression? This is the closed form of the expressions. That means summation of the infinite terms of the geometric progressions. As you see here, that we have earlier find the geometric progressions, summation of geometric progressions. Here also 1 plus x square, then multiplied by xgn, it becomes this. Now subtracting, thus cancels, the equal terms are cancelled, and this becomes gn minus x to gn is equal to 1, and ultimately gn is equal to 1 divided by 1 minus x. This is the closed form of the expression gn. Now we can derive various other generating functions from this. If there is 1 1 1 1, that is 1 by 1 minus x, and if it is 1 minus 1 1 minus 1, that is alternate 1 and minus 1, this become 1 minus 1x plus 1x square in this way, and it becomes 1 divided by 1 plus x, since x is minus 1, so minus minus plus, it is become 1 plus x. Similarly, we can generate this sequence using a generating function, and its generating function is 1 plus ax plus a square x square, and its closed form is 1 by 1 minus ax. Similarly, 1 0 1 0, it has a generating functions. The closed form of generating function is 1 divided by 1 minus x square. These are the closed form of the generating function. Manipulation on sequence. Now, how we can use manipulations on the sequence, and so there is a manipulation on function. There are few basic operations we will learn: scaling, addition, right shift, differentiation, product. These are the operations which we perform on generating functions to generate some sequences. We can use these operations to get new sequences. Multiplying a generating functions by a constant. This is known as scaling. Here it is 1 0 1 0 sequence. It is represented as 1 plus 0x plus 1 plus 1x square, etc. This closed form is 1 divided by 1 minus x square. Now it is multiplied by 2, that it becomes 2 by 1 minus x square. It will become 2 plus 2x square plus 2x4, etc. And it generates the series 2 0 T 0 alternating 2 and 0. Addition. Adding generating function. We have to generate the 2 0 2 0 sequence, and we have two sequence 1 1 1 1 1 minus 1 1 minus 1. Then adding both sequences, we get 2 0 2 0 2 0, etc. Similarly, in the RHS we have to add. First is 1 divided by 1 minus x, and second is 1 divided by 1 plus x. Adding both, we get 2 divided by 1 minus x square. Hence, in this way also, the sequence 2 0 2 0 is represented by the closed form of the generating function 2 divided by 1 minus x square. Now, right shift operations. Right shift means if we shift the values right, then the sequences, suppose that k term shifting with this sequence to the right, then the terms will be replaced with 0 0 0, k zeros. Now k zeros means the first k terms will absent. So in this generating functions, first k minus 1th term are absent. It started from k value. That means xk means its coefficient is 1, and xk plus 1 is coefficient is 1, and so on. And the rest terms have a coefficient 0. Therefore, x to the power k is equal to into 1 plus x square, etc. This becomes x to the power k divided by 1 minus x, which is similar. If we multiply it here with x to the power k, it becomes x to the power k divided by 1 minus x. Adding k zeros means multiplying xk on the generating function. Now we can derive various other generating functions from this. If there is 1, 1, 1, 1, that is 1 by 1 minus x, and if it is 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, that is alternate 1 and minus 1, this become 1 minus 1x plus 1x square in this way, and it becomes 1 divided by 1 plus x. Since x is minus 1, so minus minus plus, it is become 1 plus x. Similarly, we can generate this sequence using a generating function, and its generating function is 1 plus ax plus a square x square. How we generate the sequence? So we have to start from the series. If we start from the series x plus 2x square plus 3x square equal 4x to the power 4, then we differentiate it, then it become 4x, 9x square, 16x cube, etc. Now the series which is differentiated is the given 0 plus x plus 2x square plus 3x cube plus 4x to the power 4 and so on, and this series is derived from 1 plus 2x plus 3x square plus 4x cube. Ultimately, this series is 1 divided by 1 minus x to the power whole square. Now, when we differentiate, when we multiply this with x, it becomes x divided by 1 minus x whole square. After differentiating, we get 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x whole cube. This is the closed form of the sequence 1, 4, 9. Now product. Here we take two sequence and two generating function. First is a0, a1, a2, a3 is equal to ax, and b0, b1, b2, b3, bx. What is the sequence corresponding to polynomial cx? Ax into bx. Ax equal to a0, a1x, a2x cube, x square, a3x cube. Bx equal to b0, b1x, b2x square, b3x cube. Now ax into bx will be a0 plus a1x dot 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 into b0 plus b1x plus dot dot dot. Now the ck, that is coefficients of kth term, will be, that is x to the power k, coefficient of x to the power k will be a0 into bk, that is a0 into bk. That means the total summation of x power is k. Here is a1 into bk1, a2 into bk2. Since after adding both the subscripted value, we get k, and hence the power, hence the coefficients of xk will be the summation of this expression. Now it is represented as k sigma I is equal to 0 to k, and ai into bk minus I. This is the value of the coefficient of x to the power k. General strategy: coefficient of x to the power n, number of ways to choose n items. A simple example: as a combination k0, k1, kk, etc. This is represented as a generating function k0 plus k1x k, this is a binomial expression. This is become 1 plus x to the power k. The coefficient of x to the power n in 1 plus x to the power k is the number of ways to choose n distinct items from the set of size k. Let now convolution draw is ax be the generating functions of selecting item from set A and bx is the generating function for selecting item from set B. If A and B are disjoint, then the generating functions for selecting items from the union A union B is the product of ax into bx. It becomes ck as we derived in the last slides. Ck is the coefficient of x to the power k is printed as follows in this expression. Choose n items from k distinct elements a1, a2 up to ak. How many ways to choose from the single elements? There is one way to choose 0 items, one way to choose one element. So the generating functions for a1 is 1 plus x, a2 is 1 plus x, and so on. By convolution draw, the generating functions for choosing the k element from the set a1, a2, ak is 1 plus x into 1 plus x into 1 plus x up to kth term, and it becomes 1 plus x to the power k. How many ways can we select donuts with k varieties? Suppose there is only chocolates, donuts. How many ways can we select n donuts? Well, there is only one way to choose 0, 1, 2, 3 chocolates, donuts. So the generating functions for choosing chocolate donut is, as we have to choose only one, therefore the generating function will be 1 plus x square plus x cube, and ultimately it is 1 divided by 1 minus x. The generating functions for choosing donuts with k varieties is, by convolution draw, 1 divided by 1 minus x into k. How many ways can we fill a bag with n fruits with the following constraints? The number of apples must be even. The number of bananas must be multiple of 5. There can be at most 4 oranges. There can be at most 1 pear. For example, there are 7 ways to form a bag of 6 fruits. Now, this is the list. Apples. The number of apples must be evens. There are 7 ways to form the bag. So either apple is 6, then other cannot be used, bananas or oranges, since there can be most 1 pear. Since the bag is filled, we have select all 6 fruits, so other is 0, bananas, orange, pears, etc. Now if we choose 4 even apples, then we can have only orange. Now at most 4 oranges, that means you can choose 2 oranges, and so there is no pears or bananas. Since banana is multiple of 5, it is not possible. In this way, there is another possibilities. 411 2040 2031 0510 etc. The number of apples must be even, the number of bananas must be multiple of 5. There can be at most 4 oranges, there can be at most 1 pear. The genetic functions for apple is 1 plus x square plus x to the power 4 dot dot dot, that means 1 divided by 1 minus x square. The genetic function for bananas is bx, and it become 1 plus x to the power 5 x to the power 10. Since it is a multiple of 5, so therefore this is the genetic functions, and the closed form is 1 divided by 1 minus x to the power 5. Genetic functions for oranges, x, it is 1 plus x plus x. So at most it has 5 orange, so the expression is 1 plus x square plus x cube plus x to the power 4. This become 1 minus x to the power 5 divided by 1 minus x. GF for pears, at most, so 1 plus x. Now GF for fruits will be multiplied, all this we get 1 divided by 1 minus x to the power square, 1 minus x whole square by convolution rule. The genetic function of fruits is 1 divided by 1 minus x to the power whole square. How many ways can we fill a bag with n fruits with the following constants? Is 1, 2, 3, 4. Since this is the sequence of this closed form of the genetic functions, the answer is exactly n plus 1 factorial. Thank you.